Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make changes in your YouTube privacy. Let's dive in. All right, so we have YouTube loaded up. We're going to click on our icon in the upper right hand corner. We're going to drop down to our settings. And then we're going to go over to the left side, privacy. From here, we can manage what you share on YouTube. We have our subscriptions. If you choose, you can keep all your subscriptions private. They won't be visible to others unless you use features that make them public. We have mentions. Allow users to mention me. Anyone can mention you in these video titles, descriptions, posts, and comments. You can manage notification settings for mentions here. For live chat, you can appear on top fan leaderboards. You may be ranked in the top fans leaderboards as a viewer and earn experience points for your engagement. If you turn this off, you'll be removed from the top fans leaderboards and your previous participation will be removed as well. And we have Super Chat and Super Chat celebrations. Super Chat and Super Chat purchase milestones will be publicly announced in the live chat here. And talks a little bit about ads on YouTube. You can get some more information down here. Okay, that's it for this one. If you have any questions about any of this, please feel free to leave a comment. If this helped you, please help me. Subscribe to my channel, like, and share. I really appreciate you guys. Have an awesome day. See you in the next one.